got here the base molding. The door casing is 4-inch. Base molding, we've got here 7.25 inch. It's very high, way more impressive than the traditional 3.5 inch, 4-inch, even 5-inch, because it's a big house. We've got here, I believe, around 6,800 square footage. You see high ceilings, so it makes sense to install high base molding, also the crown molding. Crown molding from corner to corner, I believe 7.5 inch. Very impressive. As you see, they've got here the base molding, the crown molding, the casing of the door, the casing of the windows that we installed in few of the windows. The doors themselves, the patio doors, you see very big, lots of light coming inside. You've got these 2 doors here, and the kitchen window, kind of also standard size. We are in the process of we need here probably 2 weeks to complete the project. Brand new drywall, brand new paint, brand new insulation, all electric work are brand new. And this is the jewel of this project. I love the stairs. You see here we've got wood post and metal spindles and wood boards. I guess this is the new style. That's the post and the railing are made of wood. Risers, all this made of wood, and the spindles is made of metal. It used to be everything, like 80s, everything used to be wood. Also, the spindles used to be just a circular piece from the bottom to the top. Now you've got some nice design of the spindles. And all these stairs, as you see, go from the first floor to the second floor. It's a humongous house, very impressive. I just love these stairs, really, really beautiful.